And look how much of the trees has vanished. There's a whole lot more before. In a few hours, all of those types of trees will vanish because they're not really there. It's just those entities. They'll be up in the sky. You can see those black ones. They're really coming into the focus now. Because so many of the other lighter colored ones have already gone to the sky, and now you can really see the black ones. But all of them, they all have a specific place and a specific role within a cluster. And all that there that's glowing is just the nucleus of a huge cluster that takes up this entire area. Maybe a 10-kilometer wide area. And that's up in the sky and on the ground. 10 kilometers. So that's the main nucleus for this section of Toronto. There's one on the east end. There's one farther out west, but I don't have a telescope. I can't mount this camera on a telescope. I do have a telescope, but I can't mount the camera on it. So I can't take video of it. Only when it comes this way. And sometimes it does. It comes this way. So that about wraps up my presentation on hexahedron clusters today. As you can see, everything I've been saying about them is true and real. And this is all in the third dimension. This is not someplace else. They're very much here with us. So ignoring them, denying them, or anything else them makes no sense, since they're here already. And no matter what you say will not change that fact. So we're going to need to deal with them probably very soon. And we need to be ready to deal with them. Otherwise, they're going to deal with us. And look how many of them there are. This is just one little area in a big city. Think of how many areas like this there are all over the planet. Just consider that thought for a minute. How many places like this there are on the planet. And then think of how many are outside the Earth's atmosphere, out in space. And how large they can be. That should give you something to think about. Since these things can come in and out of our dimension at will, and even travel right through our galaxy with no problem. They can travel at the speed of light. So I don't think they have any problem being any place. And we're going to have to deal with them. So we need to get ready to deal with them. Because if we're ignorant about them, we won't be able to. Ignorance will get us nowhere. And denial is worse than ignorance. That's stupidity. Thank you for watching my video.